Well, in this video, I will show you a simple way to check whether your YouTube channel appears to be monetized using a free tool called YTLarge Monetization Checker. And the interesting part is you don't need to have access to the person's YouTube channel. You just have to check the channel that is monetized. You don't need to have access to the person. You don't need to know the owner of the channel. You don't need to be the owner of the channel. So if you're searching a niche and maybe you are checking out a competitor or simply curious that whether this particular channel is making money or is not making money, or whether a niche is making money or is not making money, watch this video till the end. So let's start. Step 1, find the channel. So let's go to our YouTube channel and look for any channel that we like, any channel. So when we go to our YouTube channel, find channel you want to check. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this channel as an example. Once you have found the channel, click on the 3 icon and click on what? Share. Tap on the share icon and copy the channel link. Let me quickly do that. Now that we have the channel link, let's move to the next step, which is what? Step 2. Open YTLarge. So now open your browser and search for YTLarge Monetization Checker. Click on the YTLarge website and look for Monetization Checker 2. You will see a section where you will paste the YouTube channel link or video URL. Step 3, paste the link. Now you paste the YouTube link that you copied that time into the box and click on what? Check. It can do all this are you a robot? You have to verify it. So do that one. Give it a few seconds to do that, then paste the link, then click on check. Then what? To analyze the channel. Then is that mama? Step 4, understand the results. Now here is where things get interesting. YTLarge will give you information about the channel, its monetization status. If the tool indicate that the channel is monetized, then YouTube has detected signal, so there's a channel getting advertising revenue. But there's something important you need to understand. YTLarge is not YouTube. There are two different things. It's a third-party tool, so its result is what? Estimate and not official confirmation from YouTube. So don't say because you say it's not monetized here. It's a no. The only person who can definitely confirm a channel YouTube partnership program is the owner of the channel through what? YouTube Studio. So don't treat YouTube as YTLarge as 100% guarantee. Do you understand? I'm almost done, sir. Why this is useful? Even with that limitation, this tool can extremely be useful when you are doing YouTube niche research. You see the one? For example, if you are thinking about starting a Bible YouTube channel, AI storytelling, tutorial channel, or maybe other niches concerning YouTube, any niches you want to do, you have to do research of existing channel, looking for their pattern. You understand? Checking that channel or that is going to get monetized. So you can check channels that are getting views, look at the content they are doing, study their title and thumbnail, and use that information to understand the niche better. Just remember something. Don't just copy people's content. Study their strategy, just like I do my channel. I study people's strategy and I create the original content in my own way. You understand? So that's how I use YouTubeTips monetization to check whether a channel is monetized or not. So I hope you found this video helpful.
So I hope you found this video helpful and see you in my next video. Bye bye.
And if you want more tutorial about YouTube tips, AI content creation, monetization, and YouTube tools for creator, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video and turn my notification bell so you don't miss my next video, and see you in my next video. I am Bolu Price. Bye bye. Mama. Mommy, don't call me now.